Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today it is the official unboxing of the Bachmann Lord Nelson class. So let's get into the box, guys. So there's a little bit of information on the class. If you want to pause that and have a look, you can do. And then you get the drawing of it, and then here is the beautiful logo. So it's number 864 Sir Martin Frobrisher. It's in the southern green livery, which actually looks fantastic. It's my first ever southern logo, you know what I mean, like fully southern logo. And we'll be getting it running on the track very soon. Let's just get into it and unbox this. Now, this isn't a brand new model, it's a slightly old one, but I've had this out once before to run it in, and this is absolutely superb little thing. I love this thing. It's also very big, actually. I believe these were 7p's, I think, but I'm not sure otherwise. Anyway, so there is only one surviving loco of this class, which is Sir Lord Nelson. I know it's Sir Lord Nelson, no, it's just Lord Nelson, which is why the class is called the Lord Nelson class. Jesus, it's heavy. So there is the loco, guys, and let's get the massive tender out, because this is a huge 8-wheel tender. There you go. So we'll put it onto the track so we can see it a little bit closer up. So here it is up on the track, and we can see how beautiful this model is. Now, it is slightly dated, so it doesn't have all of the sprung buffers and stuff. These are not sprung, and it's got the wider couplings on it, which is slightly less detailed than it would be nowadays, but it is quite an older model. There is cab detail in there, even though it is not painted, but it's still an absolutely stunning logo. You can see the livery is very well applied. You can see the writing of Sir Martin Frobrisher perfectly. I don't know what it says underneath. I don't know whether that's legible on camera. I think it says Lord Nelson class, I believe. You've got separately fitted detail all over the loco. You've got, I think these are metal, I believe. Yes, they definitely are. You can tell by the material. Definitely metal, those. It's absolutely stunning loco. Around the back of the tender, you've got a lamp. You've got your separately fitted detail also, and a wider coupling. Now, I do think it looks fantastic. Why will this not focus? There we go. So we'll get some coaches for it, and we will start to run the loco. But first, we're going to see what the slow speed's like. So, ready? I think that's pretty good. Bit jolty though with the tender, but it is moving. Super smooth. Good quality Bachmann, yes, I think. So we'll get some coaches and we will start to run it. So let's run the loco. We've got some coaches. It's only a short train, but these coaches match perfectly. Let's get some shots. I do very much hope you enjoyed seeing the lovely Lord Nelson being unboxed, and I will be seeing you for another video, also known as That's Getting Unboxed Next.